Welcome to the second screencast for the cleartext desktop. We left off last time talking about the workstream which is here in front of us, and the fact that we can search on in real time here. So we're having already set up searches on various different microblogging platforms. Of course, the data comes in here, and we can search for different hashtags or just keywords. So it gives us quite a nice way to filter in real time. So the next thing we might want to do here is do a blast out to these different networks. So we do that quite simply by tweeting from the top here. Let's see, end of the day. I can't think of anything better than that. We hit enter, and the system will then list the services that we've currently configured. So by default, we're going to push it out on Twitter. We're also going to go to Identica, the cleartext microblogging platform, and that's maybe it. I mean, we could use JQ and some of the other services, but any service that accepts outbound as well. So we click post, and when we click post, these messages will go to the server, and then the server does the routing. So the desktop app just talks one language, and that's XMPP or Java chat protocol, and the server does all the connection to and from the different services. So I'm going to tweet that now, and that's gone out to all those services. So looking at the top here, this is the workstream area. This is where we enter the tweets. We've got things like auto shorten URLs, so that we can paste in URLs here and get them shortened. So we shorten cleartext.com. It also has a character count, and the shortening is configured in the preferences, in the global settings. We can choose which, so bit.ly or which shortening service we want there. Other settings in here are fairly self-explanatory: chart offline buddies, show the animations, play sounds for different notification things, display type, profile pic, name or both, so that affects the tabs, how you want to sort the messages, how many you want in a queue. So if I change that, you'll see now on the tabs I've got the people's names as well as the icons. And if they run off screen, we've got a slider bar here where we can slide to and fro to see them. And if a message comes in a tab that's off screen, it will automatically get run down to the left hand side here. So it brings it straight to your attention, which is quite handy. At the top here we've got search local database, which brings up a search. Enables us to search the local database. That's all the tweets that come in, so that's a good local store which complements the company administrator's SAS archiving online. We've got online support and feature requests. That goes to the support website, Get Satisfaction, or whatever we're currently using. Help, that takes us to the website and the help and tutorial pages, and the settings you just saw. Over the left here, a few things I didn't show earlier. On the groups, we can edit a group name, or we can delete it. If we remove a group, it gets removed from everybody in your list. Or we can do a broadcast to a group, so we can broadcast to that whole group. So that doesn't matter what network they're on, instant messaging network, it will send that message to them. Handy. Down here we have group chats, so it remembers group chats. So we can go to, if we want to go to the development group chat or multi-user chat run by jabber.org, we can see here, and we can see all the people that are currently in that conference. So that's quite handy. That's the group chat. If we want to add different services, we click the button here, bottom left, sorry. Add a buddy, add a gateway, and the server provides a list of gateways that are available to you. Add a group or join group chat. We just saw that. So that's about it really. That's all the features of the app. Of course, we can extend it, customize it, white label it, put your own branding up there, all sorts of things.